Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about two of the most innovative and exciting products in the tech world, ChatGPT and GoogleBard. They both have the ability to change the way we interact with technology, but what sets them apart? ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to generate human-like text responses to questions or prompts, and can be integrated into a variety of applications, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. GoogleBard, on the other hand, is a voice-activated device that can control a variety of devices and perform a wide range of tasks, such as playing music, answering questions, and setting reminders. The device is equipped with Google Assistant, which is a powerful artificial intelligence that can understand your voice and perform a wide range of tasks. While ChatGPT and GoogleBard share some similarities, there are key differences between the two. ChatGPT is primarily a language model, whereas GoogleBard is a physical device. ChatGPT is also more flexible and can be integrated into a variety of applications, whereas GoogleBard is limited to the functions that are built into the device. Another important difference is the way that the two products interact with users. ChatGPT is primarily text-based and relies on the user typing out their questions or prompts, whereas GoogleBard is voice-activated and requires the user to speak out loud. In conclusion, both ChatGPT and GoogleBard are exciting and innovative products that have the potential to change the way we interact with technology. Whether you prefer text-based interactions or voice-activated devices, both of these products offer unique advantages and can be useful in a variety of settings. That's it for today's video. We hope that this comparison has been helpful in understanding the differences between ChatGPT and GoogleBard. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Cybersecurity Guru.